How to fix Share My Location Not Working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the Settings application on your device and then tap on the Privacy and Security option you see there. Here, you will see the option for location services. Tap on it and make sure that location services is turned on, and if not, then toggle on the toggle button for location services. Next, go back to Settings homepage and tap on your name on top of your screen. And here, go ahead and tap on the Find My option you see there. Here, go ahead and make sure the toggle button for Share My Location is enabled. And if not, then enable this particular toggle button, as well as tap on the Find My iPhone option you see there and make sure the Find My iPhone toggle button is also enabled. Now, tap on the Wi-Fi option and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then in Settings again, tap on the Privacy and Security option you see there and then tap on the Location Services option. Here, tap on the Find My option you see there and then go ahead and make sure to choose while using the app option, or you can also choose the always option if available. Also, make sure the toggle button for precise location is enabled. Next, go ahead and in Settings again, tap on General and then on Date and Time. Here, make sure the toggle button for Set Automatically is toggled on, and if not, then toggle on the toggle button for Set Automatically. Additionally, you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as if you simply restart your iPhone, then it helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. Also, open Settings again and then tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your iPhone. Now, in Settings again, scroll down and you will see the option for screen time. Tap on it and then tap on the Content and Privacy Restrictions option you see there. And here, simply toggle off the toggle button for Content and Privacy Restriction, or if you have enabled Content and Privacy Restriction, then you can tap on the Location Services option and make sure it is set to Allow. Also, make sure the toggle button for Location Services in here is toggled on, and if not, then simply toggle on the toggle button for Location Services. Additionally, in Settings again, tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone option, and then tap on Reset Location and Privacy Settings option you see there and enter your passcode and reset your location settings, as well as you can tap on Reset again and then tap on Reset Network Settings and enter your passcode and reset your network settings too. And by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Share My Location Not Working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.